Okay, to calculate the RF value, we need to measure the relative distance each compound travelled throughout the solvent. So first of all, we need to measure the distance from the origin, which is here. It's the baseline. To the solvent front. So we'll just say that the solvent front is here. This is a photocopy, so we can't make that out. So really what we do is we measure this distance here. And that's our first measurement that we need. Then we measure the distance from the origin to either the leading edge of the spot or the midline, and it's just important to decide which one to use. And when you're measuring this distance travelled by the spot, it's the same in each one. So if you're measuring to the middle, it's the middle in each spot, or the front of each spot. It doesn't matter as long as you choose which one. So here is the baseline at this bit here, and we will measure to the front and take that measurement. And once we've got that measurement, we can calculate the RF value using the formula and identify the amino acids in the mixture using the reference table. So if we just take a new page